This is a fake ragu alla bolognese, actually called Sugo Finto, which literally means fake sauce. It's a traditional Italian recipe born in times when farmers didn't have much to cook. No meat and often really little money, so they came up with this fake version. Start by chopping onions, celery and carrots. And this is the sofrito, right? But we're gonna make more of it. If you want to make it easier for you, you can also blend them, but I prefer to have the pieces, tiny pieces, instead of blending them. But of course, you can choose the consistency that you prefer. Okay, now all the veggies are ready. So, all in a pan with 2 bay leaves and the veggies. Let them cook gently until they become soft, helping yourself with a little bit of water. Okay, perfect. Now it's time to add a glass of wine. Let it cook until all the alcohol evaporates, so we keep the sweetness of the wine and we get rid of the acidity. This is optional, but it's lovely. So we're gonna add tomato paste, we're gonna add it and toast it for a moment, and then we're gonna add a splash of water. Let it cook for a minute. Tomato paste makes the sauce richer, deeper, and more balanced. Now you add the tomato sauce, tomato sauce. And cook it low heat, so gently, with the lid on for 40 minutes at least. The more the better. Now the Ragu Finto is ready. You can store it in the fridge for a few days, or you can also freeze it in the glass jars. I'm gonna freeze part of it in the glass jars. And now with the rest, I'm gonna make dinner. Buono. Buonissimo. Ragu Finto never let you down. It's amazing. Let me know if you're gonna try it out, and thanks everybody for sharing your time with me today. See you next time. Ciao ciao.